What time does the concert start? What time does the concert start? Where can I buy tickets for tonight's show? Where can I buy tickets for tonight's show? Is there an opening act before the main performance? Is there an opening act before the main performance? Can I bring my own snacks inside? Can I bring my own snacks inside? Where's the best place to stand for a good view? Where's the best place to stand for a good view? Are there any seats available, or is it standing room only? Are there any seats available, or is it standing room only? Do you know if they'll play an encore? Do you know if they'll play an encore? Can you tell me where the merch booth is? Can you tell me where the merch booth is? Is there a designated smoking area? Is there a designated smoking area? Where are the restrooms located? Where are the restrooms located? How long is the concert expected to last? How long is the concert expected to last? Are cameras allowed inside the venue? Are cameras allowed inside the venue? Can I exit and re-enter during the show? Can I exit and re-enter during the show? Do they sell earplugs here? Do they sell earplugs here? Is there a coat check available? Is there a coat check available? Where can I find the schedule for upcoming concerts? Where can I find the schedule for upcoming concerts? How early should I arrive to get a good spot? How early should I arrive to get a good spot? Are there any restrictions on what I can bring in? Are there any restrictions on what I can bring in? Is there a place to charge my phone? Is there a place to charge my phone? Do you know where the nearest parking lot is? Do you know where the nearest parking lot is?